Hello everyone, welcome to the class with Sister Josephine. I'm going to deal with class 5, English 2, lesson 2. A rupee goes a long way. From page number 18 to 19. We have already seen the part 1 and this is the part 2. Welcome to my class. Before we begin, let us recap what we have studied before in the previous class. So, in the story, a rupee goes a long way. Ranji had an old 1 rupee coin with which he wanted to buy jalebis, but the shopkeeper would not give him as the coin was out of use. In the bazaar, he met his friend Mohinder, who gave him a fishing rod in exchange with the old 1 rupee coin. Now, Ranji wanted to go for fishing and got into a truck because he knew the driver and he got into the truck. And after that, what happened? Let us see today. So, this is the continuation of the previous one from page number 18 to 19. In a while, the truck stopped near the riverbed. Ranji got down, thanked the driver and began walking along the bank. So, he was going in the truck. When he reached the riverbed, they stopped, he got down, he thanked the driver because he got a free lift and he began to walk along the river bank. It was a dry season and the river was just a shallow, muddy stream. Now what is this? Dry season like this summer season and there wasn't much water. Very shallow means very little water was there. It was very muddy. So he didn't find much water in the river. Ranji walked up and down without finding water deep enough for the smallest fish. So when he was walking up and down, he did not find deep water because water was very shallow, just like muddy water it was running, and he didn't find deep water even to find a smallest fish there. That means what? He didn't find any fish because there wasn't enough water. There wasn't enough water, so he didn't find any fish there. He didn't even find a place to catch the fish. No wonder Mohinder let me have his rod, he muttered. So in his mind he thought, no wonder this fellow Mohinder gave me the fishing rod and he just gave it to me when I asked. He just murmured among himself. And with a shrug he returned back. So he was so disappointed. What to do? He didn't get anything. So just with a feeling of disappointment, he didn't get anything. So he returned back. Here is people catching fish with the homemade fishing rod, you see, people. So might have been water was this much only, very shallow, and he may not have got any fish there. That's what. Next. It was a long, hot walk back to the bazaar. So this time he didn't get any truck to get lift. So he just walked back to the bazaar. There were ripe mangoes on the trees, and Ranji tried to get at a few of them with the tip of the fishing rod. So suddenly he saw a mango tree full of ripe mangoes, and of course he was hungry too. He wanted to eat some mangoes. So he was trying to pluck the mangoes with the help of the fishing rod. So he had the fishing rod, the stick. So he was trying to pluck from the tree the mangoes. But they were well out of reach. He thought again of the jalebis that he had not been able to buy. And he was trying to pluck the mangoes, but it was out of reach. He couldn't reach. Even the fishing rod that he was holding in the hand could not reach the mangoes. So he didn't get any mangoes. Again he thought of the jalebis that he had not been able to buy. So from morning he is behind the jalebis. So he thought of the jalebis. He could only think of it. So he just thought of it and he was walking back. As he was walking back, he reached a few scattered houses when he saw a boy playing a flute. Okay. So just he was walking back and suddenly he saw scattered houses, means here and there some houses are there. Not in the same place, here and there some houses. So suddenly he saw a boy playing flute. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, the flute made a cheerful sound. So of course it was in the afternoon, so hot, and suddenly the sweet sound of this flute made a cheerful sound. Of course everyone was silent in the stillness. In the stillness of the hot afternoon, it was very silent. So usually the afternoon hours everything is very hot, people will be inside. And the flute sound made a cheerful sound for him. Ranji stopped walking. So when he heard the flute sound, he stopped walking. and the boy stopped playing. So when he stopped walking, the boy, one who was playing the flute, also stopped playing. The boy had his eye on Ranji's fishing rod. Ranji had his eye on the flute. So they were looking at each other. Ranji was looking at the flute that was on the hand of the boy, and the boy was looking at the fishing rod that was in the hand of Ranji. So they were looking at each other's things. So the boy asked, "Been fishing?" asked the flute player, the one who was playing flute. The boy asked Ranji, "Have you been fishing?" So Ranji said, what did he say? Yes, said Ranji. Did you catch anything? He asked. Fellow asked, did you catch anything? No, said Ranji. I didn't stay very long. So he said of the truth, of course he didn't catch any fish. And what did he say? I didn't stay very long because he didn't find a place to catch fish. So he did not stay there for a long time. So he did not catch any fish. There was a long silence. Means what? Both of them kept silence. Then Ranji said, it's a good rod. Okay. So Ranji was telling about his fishing rod. It's a very good fishing rod. Then this is a good flute, said the boy. So when Ranji said my fishing rod is a good one, and the flute player also said this is a good flute. Ranji took the flute and examined it. He put it to his lips and blew hard. So now what happened? Ranji took the flute and he just examined it. And he put it in his lips and he was tried. It was a flute. He blew very hard, so loudly. Okay, there was a shrill, squeaky noise, and a startled magpie flew out of a mango tree. The way he blew the flute, it gave a squeaky noise, means very shrill noise, sudden noise. And what happened? Startled means surprised, suddenly. No, it's an unpleasant sound, suddenly. And a magpie, it's a small, a small bird with black and white long tail and feather, and it got frightened. See, the way he played the flute, the bird from the tree got frightened and flew out of the tree, flew out of the mango tree. Not bad, said Ranji. So when he blew the flute, he said, it's okay, not bad. And meanwhile, what happened? The boy had taken the rod from Ranji and was looking it over. Not bad, he said. So both of them are checking each other's things. Okay, Ranji was checking the flute and the flute player was checking the fishing rod of Ranji. And both of them said, okay, not bad. Your fishing rod is not bad. Then Ranji said, okay, your flute is also not bad. So Ranji hesitated no longer. Hesitated no longer means he didn't waste any time. He didn't waste any time in thinking now what to do. Let's exchange. Immediately he said, let's exchange the things. Let's exchange. I will give you my fishing rod, you give me your flute. That's the exchange. A trade was made, means a business. The boy took the fishing rod and went on his way, leaving Ranji with the flute. Now what was the business? The boy took the fishing rod from Ranji and Ranji took the flute from him. That's all. Now, Ranji began playing the flute. Okay, the notes sounded lovely to him, but they startled the people who were passing on the road. Now, when Ranji started playing the flute, for him it was so sweet. He didn't know anything. Simply he was blowing it hard, but it startled the people who were passing on the road. People, those who were passing on the road, they were not happy. It did not make a pleasant sound. Flute should make a pleasant sound so that generally people will love to hear it. But if here, the people who were passing by him, they were staring at him. What type of flute is playing this, like that? Okay. Now, when he came to the clock tower where the bazaar began, he sat on the low wall and blew vigorously on the flute. Now, for a long time he was walking. So now when he reached almost the clock tower, okay, to the entrance of the bazaar, he sat on the low wall, just on the footpath. There is a wall type. He sat there and he blew vigorously on the flute. Vigorously means what? Full of his energy, so loudly and so harshly, and with all his energy, he started playing the flute without any note, without any tune, without any song. Now, I can play better than that, said a boy who was carrying several empty milk cans. Now, suddenly a boy stopped there, looking at Ranji playing the flute vigorously. And what did he say? He said, I can play better than that, said a boy. Okay, so he said, see, you are playing simply vigorously, so loudly, okay, but I can play better than you. That's what the boy said. And what did the boy was carrying? The boy was carrying several empty milk cans. Means maybe he might have sold the milk and he was returning back. And he said, I can play better than you. Okay, now what did Ranji say? Let's see, Ranji said. The boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. So now Ranji gave the flute to the little boy who said that I can play better than you. And the little boy took the flute from him and he played a lovely little tune. So just he played, it was very pleasant, it was very good. So this is the flute. Some of you might have seen it. It's a flute, it's a mouth organ which is played through the mouth. You might have seen these flutes in the hand of Krishna, Lord Krishna sometimes. So it's a flute, it's a very pleasant sound it makes when it is played properly. Okay, children. In the next class, we shall continue with the same lesson. This is enough for today. Stay safely and learn easily, learn the spellings and learn the meanings also. Thank you. Have a nice day.